Can you tell me
That's what
why?
I'm thinking.
No, it's
But
good.
for
It's good.
me,
If you're thinking it's good, so can you tell me why? Can you share your screen?
I
Can you share your screen?
zone. Where is this thing now? Any disk, ne?
Hello, Rahman. Hello, Martin. Hello, Lariel. How are you all?
Fine, thank you.
Rahman, is there the fasting time or there is after 1 hour?
Still got 2.5 hours.
Yeah. Buddy, you know what I'm saying? I love your accent. Seriously.
Is it?
Seriously, I love your accent.
Thank you, mate.
Some people I really like some accent. How they preciously, sweetly they will tell the some words is touching the heart. Yeah, seriously.
Okay.
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 Especially for the British and the German people, say
Yeah.
talk like this. I know. That's why I really like your accent. Yes, well. Hello, Krishna Bhaiya.
Hello. What's up, nigga?
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, fine. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, fine.
How is
Yes.
your, you know what, today again?
Today I did it again. I did it again.
I will not say anything. I know what you're going to say.
When I did it, I told my army must join me, but army sometime busy maybe, so that's why they can't do anything.
No, it's fine.
I'm not doing
See,
alone. I tell everyone.
whenever there is a mistake, I agree on myself if it's my mistake or somebody else. And what I did, it's my mistake. So there is
I seriously I want to my army same like an eagle. If someone see the target, they forget to everything. Just watch out only target.
good. So what we are going to learn today?
Yes, well, you share your screen.
I'm trying here, Zane.
Okay, fine. I will share you my screen. I will tell you whatever the USD, USD, whatever. This is your AUD USD.
Okay, I just want to get it bigger, man.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's quite small.
Ah, small. I make it big, no issue. Everyone seen my screen?
Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. It's big enough.
Yeah.
See, AUD USD, they make it very beautiful butterfly pattern. And I tells morning in my channel, I shared my chart. Properly, instantly they will show to sale position. So approximately, I think 200 pips they will go down, and now it will going up. If within 3 days again USD is powerful, so then they not reach this point. They reach this point and again going down. If USD going too powerful, because right now USD is, and if you saw the Thursday news, so there is some manipulating, like if you saw the NFP news, and before NFP news, ADP news is ADP news is negative and NFP news is positive, and too much positive ranking is there. too much employees is there. So maybe it will come positive. Your AUD again going to down, but for the now, within 2 days, 3 days, they have a buy position very clearly. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Understand everything? Because the very beautiful, but what is a butterfly pattern? Butterfly pattern is very powerful pattern. If you find a butterfly pattern, so you are ready for the reversal. They must give you reversal very powerful.
Mm.
So the same thing is happened. Morning, why I'm yesterday night, I will try to find something. I write it now butterfly complete. This one is complete for the Friday market. Now Saturday market, now Monday market is pushed down approximately 200 pips. I think so 200 pips. It's a 500 and 150 pips. Sorry. Okay. What about the dollar takeout? Okay. The gold spot is going very perfectly. They need to complete also. But right now, for the my point of view, my prediction is pattern is invalid. So we need to wait for the this 16.92 again buy, and this point is again sell. But the gold price is very high. If I calculate for the yearly, because I have some news about the gold, the end of the year they need to reach the target $2,000, 2,000 points. So if they're going, if really have a target for the 2,000 point, he need to much retrace approximately 1670 or maybe 1630. Then it will go again buy up. But gold is very risky. I never tell to my followers who have a less than 5k capital, don't trade in gold. It's good for you because gold make money quickly, but gold lose your money quickly. I saw many person they are trade for the 0.10 in a $100, $1,000. So they suddenly they will 2 or 3 points up and down. Your account is below finish. So better you go to pairs. Now Euro USD. Euro USD break supporting price level also. If I someone told me you are trade Euro USD, so I say I'm not trade on USD. Why? Because for they not working like my prediction. If they're working like my prediction, so I will trade. Otherwise, I leave it. My prediction is this, but they're going to against my prediction. So I'm not trading right now in Euro USD. But I give some small because this is called long-term time. If I saw the 15-minute chart, it's breaking, but they are working still the horizontal support. So we need to wait if they're breaking and if they reversal.
Sorry.
Understand anyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Good, good, good. Euro USD going to perfectly and euro, GBP. Who want to know about the euro and GBP, the cross pair?
No.
Someone know about that? Any knowledge? I'm talking about the knowledge.
Nope.
No, I'm not trading Euro GBP.
Raman sir, you also?
Yeah, I don't know.
Because euro have a low volatile and GBP USD have a high volatile, but a cross pair, if euro going to 1 point up, in euro GBP it will go 10 point up. Why? Because GBP USD is high volatile, they're going to down. Now, if you, I will show you. This is last 4 hour candle, last 4 hour candles. This is second last 4 hour candle. This is euro GBP. If I show you, see, this two candle is bearish, but euro candle, euro USD also bearish. Euro USD, this is a point. Euro USD bearish. The second last rejection is here. GBP USD also bearish, but euro GBP is bullish. You can see. This is called the volatile pairs. That's the confusion. If someone thinking euro USD going to up, it's not necessary euro JPY also going to up. Euro JPY, euro CAD, you need to must go up. It's not necessary. So cross pair is more than difficult to major currencies. It's also going good, as I say, but they're not retracement, so I'm waiting for the retracement. Then we trade retracement complete. I will buy again USD JPY because they broke the trend very nicely. In the morning, I buy it, but I close it because I'm not 100% sure about that they do the retracement or not. But they unexpected moment they give you 3 candles, 4 hours, 12-hour market is bullish. So I'm waiting for the retracement. Maybe they will came here or here. They make it double top, same like this. Okay, then it will come like that. Now my point of view is this. Is clear or some confusion is there?
No, it's clear.
One guy is out. Who is there? Okay, fine. Okay, guys. USD CAD. He make it butterfly pattern, but right now it's invalid. So no meaningful for this. So now I am waiting for the new preparation for this. Waiting for the good rejection. If they not rejection, so I will buy to here. I will buy this level again. And my take profit is this line. If they break out, so I put my break even trade to here. If they rejected, I will out. Open sale here. I think real sir is not seen. I will zoom it, no issue. Now real you are seeing. Now I am buying to here. If the market price pushing up to more than this price level, the 1.40426, I will buy and my trade profit is this line. If they break out, so I put my trade break even. If they reject here, so I open the sale here and close my buy trade, and my put stop loss is more than this level. This is my stop loss. And this is my buy position. Sorry, sale position. Short positions. Now this is my position with market, and this is my. I think this is 1% risk, 0.28% risk ratio. It's very good trade if the market running as my prediction. So I will trade it. If not, so I kick out this trade. I'm not invalid for me. GBP USD. Now they break two bottoms. It will go 100% down right now. They just to show you retracement. When the retracement complete, it will go down. I don't think so. It will go up again within 3 to 4 days. This is 8-hour candles. I will press. It will come approximately 1.237, maybe 1.238. Then again going to down because they are very strong level. They have double bottom. They break out easily. So right now, no need to trade. Wait for this price level. Open the sale. Now you need to go only sell position, not to buy position. Very low price again.
Okay, you know the gold bat pattern is invalid. Why is it invalid?
Why is that invalid? Because they break out. I will show you. Where is the gold? US dollar XUD. Okay.
Yeah.
If the bat pattern valid, they not give you rejection. They must need one more bullish bar here and the one more bullish bar here and the one more bullish bar here.
Okay, so if it gets rejected, then it's invalid.
Yeah, they rejected
Okay.
one time, the second time, the third time also, and the third time again market going this level. So after when the market going this level, so I saw it looked like a bad pattern. I draw it. If the market rejection again, so bad pattern is invalid. The same like this. See the old value. This is going perfectly.
Yes.
So I trade when the market is came here. I trade the sale. I make a profit and I'm out. When I saw the rejection is here. Now I am waiting for the 19th or 29th April until now 8 May. I waiting for the 20 days. Again make the pattern because bad pattern is very powerful in the gold.
Okay, because I learned patterns and all that, but I didn't know this invalid. You know what I mean?
Now it's
I thought
invalid.
I thought we can carry on to go up to D, but now it's invalid, isn't it?
Now, what some people are share the chart. They say this is invalid. I say they say valid still because they are thinking like that. This is not a bad pattern, brother. Bad pattern must need to 1.2515% retracement. If you saw this figure, this is a calculation is there. If your calculation is perfect, bad pattern give you every time profit. The main
So bad pattern has to be 1.5, is it?
Yeah, the last D% must be 1.5%.
Okay. How about the X to C 0.7? Is that okay? I mean A to C.
Yeah, A, B, and C. This is okay, but they not complete the fourth wave. That's why they are incomplete. If they complete the 4 waves, so it means the market is make bad pattern and they give you exact rejection is there, whatever you calculated.
Yeah, understand now. Yeah,
But right now they are invalid. So I don't know where the retracement complete.
I get you.
So I need to
Understand
wait.
now.
Yeah. So I need to wait. Maybe they make it double bottom. Maybe they make it. Now I am seeing the back pattern is invalid. Okay. Now I am seeing the head and shoulder right now. This is called head and shoulder. If the market came here, so I buy it again. If the market break this point, so head and shoulder pattern also invalid. I am not trade again. I must wait for the some patterns or the resistance and the support also, because there is no support, no resistance right now. These are price level area. This blue is price level area. If they break out this level, so head and shoulder pattern and the support price also invalid right now. So no meaningful for the trade gold right now, because gold running our own way. They're not going to any direction. And whatever period is not in direction, my preference don't do trade, because they're against you anytime. Now market is came here and I saw the one rejection is bullish bar is I saw like this bullish bar hammer and something like that, and the complete bullish bar. So I buy it and sleep easily, because I know if the market going to here, so this true level is also buy pushing area. It's called in my meaningful it's called spring. This two level is spring. When the market buy zone is here, they're pushing to more up, because this price is valuable for the Australia and the China also. When the market came here, they buy. When the market is came, is bull. So this two price level is very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So right now, butterfly cancel. Maybe they make a head and shoulder, maybe not. So I am not trade for the gold right now. If I saw that rejection here, so I will open the sale. Maybe they rush out this again, because every who trade on a gold, they know they suddenly fall 100 200 points, 100 $200 suddenly fall. They don't have any reason.
Mm.
And who want to know which pair gold depends? Someone knows about that?
No, which way?
Gold mostly depend 75% is a Dow. When the Dow 3.400 points, 600 points going to up, openly market is to upside, the gold must going to down.
Oh, the Dow Jones.
Yeah, Dow Jones.
Okay.
But they have a power with euro currency. If the euro currency going to down, Dow open the up inside, they rush out to falling side. Like 100 point, 200 points. Suddenly you see the 700. After a 15-minute chart, you can see the market is 1664. So it's very easy. It's common things.
Okay.
So when if you are targeted in the morning time, so you must close your trade. If you are looking a wrong direction, so you close your trade must be before the 5 o'clock in UAE time when the market Dow open. Maybe it's favor for you, or maybe not is favor for you, because they suddenly react. You can't control them.
Yeah. Gold is dangerous.
Yeah. So that's why I am not a trade for the when the Dow market open, I will start for the trade if I have something for the gold. Now 3 or 2 days I am not trading a gold, because I don't have something for the 100% surety on this.
That's good. It's good not to
Yeah,
take it.
yeah. If they complete the bad pattern, I must try to sell seriously. Now it's complete for the head and shoulder. I must try to head and shoulder.
Yeah.
It's very easy for me and easy for anyone. Now they're trying to going by, but the rejection is there. So it means something is there. If I want to check, Dow Jones 30, strong buy. See, the 7% is buy, 7% is upside today. Okay, now I see.
Yeah.
Seven percent is 58, 700%, and the gold less. If I want to see where is the gold, they lose 4.25%. They
Okay.
7% up, and they lose 4.5%. So he need to must going more down, at least to 5 to 6% to across the Dow.
Okay.
Okay.
But where they going, maybe it will go a little bit more again up, then again down in today and tomorrow. So this is the happen with the gold. If you are trading for example, if you are trade for the forex and 10 pairs, you are analyzing in one time and you are very good for the analyzing. But the one side is gold, the gold guy who trade only gold. So the gold guy is very technical against to forex because gold have a lots of calculation. They not easy. So guys, you can ask me anything if you have some questions. I think we'll have some questions about that.
How about GBP, GBP JP?
GBP JPY.
Yeah. Have you analyzed that one before?
GBP JPY already analyzing, but I will tell you
Oh,
something.
okay. Oh, if you've done it, it's all right, don't worry.
No, I done it, but I will tell you, and I also share to my group. I hope you are seeing or not seeing. See, I think I will show you my old chart, so it's easy for me. Euro use GBP JPY. See, in the morning I analyze this. And shared the chart also. I told him it will come down, then again up.
Okay.
And after two candles, the same thing happen. It will come down and again up. Now it will going to buy zone. Not for the GBP